Most people don't stay poor because they don't earn. They stay poor because of what they buy. They think they're enjoying life, but they're trapping themselves. First mistake, buying to impress. Expensive things they don't need, just to look rich. But no one actually cares. Attention fades, but money is gone forever. Second mistake, daily comfort spending. Food delivery again and again. Feels small each time, but adds up fast. That's where your money goes. Third mistake, wasting time. Hours disappear. No learning, no growth, just distraction. Time lost equals money lost. Now think about it. Where is your money going? Where is your money going? But small habits, that's the trap, and you're stuck in it. Smart people think differently. They don't try to impress. They build quietly. They control spending. They invest money and stay patient. At first, nothing changes. Then slowly, money starts growing. Confidence builds. Life improves. All from small habits. Your income doesn't decide your future. Your habits do. Choose wisely or stay stuck forever.